Hey guys, it's your girl Star with 2 R's showing you a room tour of the Hotel Riu Palace Las Americas, room 312. So first, I'll take you into the bathroom. Here's the toilet here. Have your mirror, a blow dryer, 2 sinks. So since it's COVID season, they supply you with antibacterial spray for your hands. And they also installed this the other day. It's hand sanitizer. You squeeze it, comes out at the bottom. I also brought my own hand soap and my vitamins to keep my immune system strong while here in Cancun. They have the shower. And they supply you with towels, of course. And then they have these hooks. Put your wet clothes, your wet towels. It's the closet area. And your safe. And they have an iron. Let's go on this side. There's your ironing board behind the robes. It's big closet. And on this side, the way you can put your key card that controls all the lights. I asked for 2 keys, so that way the fan will keep going while I wasn't in the room. They usually have top shelf alcohol here, but not right now. Here's the refrigerator. Waters. What is this? Canada Dry tonic water, beer, sodas, what have you. And they also give you these big waters to use, I guess, when you want to brush your teeth, since it's not good to use the water here. Here, have 2 lights. 2 switches, for the lights. Nice size bed, king size. Here they have a mirror. Nice bench. Can store your luggage on top. What I did, can put them in the bottom. On this side you have plug up your electronics. This switch here controls the fan. And this is the light switch. Telephone. Come down these steps. Here's your sitting area. The sofa and a table. Some nice artwork. It's your television. A nice dresser. Fit your clothes in. 8 drawers? There's the balcony. Now here you want to keep your balcony door closed because once you open it, it'll shut off the air. So open this up and check out the view. Have 2 seats. Over here you have a rack for your swimsuits. Here is the ocean view. And the pool. That ends the tour for Riu Plaza, Las Americas.